Kwa kayo ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kwedo jogo mapingo chanjo mar jamni kendo singo ne oganda jo Kenya ni chanjo makamano opuodhi kendo dhi konye geng'o tuoche mopogore mamako jamni. Kowuoye mnada mar jamni ma Kimalel mayudore kaunti ma Baringo, Ruto lero ni chanjo makamano geto bero rang'iny mar ring'o kaachiel gi neno ni mwandu ma jopith golo pacho kaendie ochopo rang'iny mamalo. Chenro mar uso jamni e mnada ma Kimalel osebedo ka dhi nyime kuom thuolo mar higni 10 sani e bwo sir mar William Ruto mar neno ni jodak ma Baringo oyudo omenda mag chwalo sombgi mbele.
Auction yetu pamoja na we want also to export our meat products. We want to export our leather products. But it is being the impediment is the level of disease prevalence. And that is why it is necessary for us to have a national campaign to make sure that we get rid of diseases so that we can expand our market and our products can access international markets. I want to ask leaders who have no knowledge, who have no understanding, who have no plan to spare us their ignorance. Ati hii chanjo, ati ng'ombe itakosa kunyamba. Sasa mimi nauliza jameni. Kwani sisi wote ambao sisi tumekuwa vaccinated, kuna mtu amekosa kunyamba kwa sababu alikuwa vaccinated? And I am speaking as a scientist myself. Tutafanya hii chanjo kwa mifugo yetu